Good morning, children. Today we will start the lesson Soil Our Life. In this lesson, we will learn about the types of soil and importance of soil for the living organisms. Soil is one of the most important resources like air and water. It is the uppermost layer of Earth's crust. It is made up of sand, clay, rock particles, pebbles, and organic matter called humus. We can use soil for different purposes in our daily life. Soil supports the existence of living organisms. Almost all things in our surroundings directly or indirectly depend on soil. We grow plants in soil and get food from plants. Herbivores are directly dependent on plants for food. We make furniture with wood and wood is obtained from trees. Similarly, paper is also made from bamboo trees. Pots are also made from soil. Soil acts as a habitat for many organisms. That is, many organisms live in soil. Several types of microorganisms live in the soil. Some animals like snakes, rats, rabbits, etc. make holes and burrows in the soil to live. Types of soil. There are three different types of soil. That is sandy soil, clay soil and loam soil. Sandy soil has large particles with large spaces or pores between them. Therefore, water drains through sandy soil quickly. Sandy soils do not hold or retain water very well. As a result, it is not good for growing most plants. We find sandy soil in deserts. That is why there is very less vegetation in the deserts. Humus added to sandy soil acts like a sponge, absorbing and holding moisture and any nutrients dissolved in it. Clay soil. Clay soils have small particles and small spaces or pores between them. Clay soil tends to stick together, causing water to fill up the air spaces. Since moisture does not drain from this soil well, clay soil is often too wet for plant roots to absorb oxygen. As a result, the plant roots will rot. Adding humus to clay soils discourages the small particles from sticking so tightly together, resulting in larger spaces that drain water more easily and hold more air. Loam soil. It contains sand, silt and clay in balance. It does not feel gritty when rubbed between the fingers. It has properties between sandy soil and clay soil. Usually, water is well drained through the loam soil and it is also well aerated. It has the ability to hold moisture and plant nutrients. That is why it is considered as the best soil for growing plants. Now, if you are given a sample of soil and asked to find out which type of soil it is, you can do it by this simple experiment. First of all, take the soil sample and remove the pebbles or grass and other organic matter from it. Add water to the soil drop by drop, kneading the soil while doing so. Pour enough water so you can make small balls of soil. If you are not able to make a ball out of the soil, then that soil is sand because you cannot make ball out of a sandy soil sample. Now, if you are able to make a ball, then that means that this soil may be sandy loam or light loam or heavy loam or light clay or clay. Now, try to make a cylinder of 15 centimeters long. You are able to make the cylinder, but if it cracks, then we say that it may be light loam. If you are able to make a good cylinder of the soil of 15 centimeters long, then it may be loam or heavy loam or any other soil. For this you have to bend the cylinder. If it breaks on bending, then it is loam. If it bends up to a semicircle, it is heavy loam. Now try to form a ring. If you get a cracked ring, then it is light clay. But if you are able to make a complete ring properly, then the soil is clay soil. Children, write these hard words 3 times in your homework book and learn the spellings. I am reading out the words for you. Concentrate on the pronunciation of the words. Sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil, soil erosion, conservation, fertile, percolation, habitat. Next part of the lesson we will continue in our next session. Thank you.